Now that we learned how to use sum, I want to continue with a very basic function. It's count and count A. It is important to understand the difference between these two, so I will show you. Like last time, I have a little bit of data prepared, but today it's only text and numbers because that's the big difference. And I'm just going to enter count for these and count for these two, and then we will add count A for these and count A for these. So you see there's a difference. While for count we only get a result for numbers, while for count A we get a result for both. So it has to do with that count is, if you read here, it's only for numeric values. So we can add numbers, areas, like last time with sum. We can add 1, 2, 3, whatever you want. And for count A, it's numbers of values. So there is nothing about numbers, text. It counts everything. So if we make the same here, it also has one area, two areas, whatever you want. So we make the whole, that's not what I wanted, my bad, the whole area this, and enter. So you can see here it counts all four, and here only counts the number values. What you also can do, if you have a database with mixed input, so numbers and text, you can just use these two formulas to filter for it. So you can, for number, you just use count. And if you want to know how many text values you have, you can just use count A minus count. So just like count A for the whole area minus count for the whole area. And you get the text values. So if I delete hello, then I only have one. And of course you can also cut this and use that because we have it already here. So we have here it's count, so it's the same. That's everything in Google Sheets. And now we jump over to Excel, and again I have the same values, and we'll just do the same count for this and count for that and count A for that, and I'm just pulling that over. So same thing here, text is only counted with count A and numbers are counted with both. And again you can use the same function I showed you earlier with count A minus count to find the number of text values in a mixed database. And that's really all about count and count A. So you don't need to know any more about it. But if you still have questions, then you can put them down in the comment section and I will see what I can do. And if you want to refresh your knowledge about how to use sum, then I will link the video up here, and the other corner I will put a new video as soon as I have a new one for you.